Utilizing Facebook ad kind. Video advertisements according to Facebook. Individuals invest 5 times much more longer checking out videos than at static web contents on both Facebook and Instagram. This could be related to the reality that greater than 100 million hours of video clips are consumed on Facebook each day. Certain pictures and carousels work tools for brand structures, lead generation, as well as you recognize sales. However, nothing captures the focus on the scrolling masses rather liking video clips. None of this is key. Why, after that, are many SMBs sticking to still? When it concerns Facebook video ads, the barrier to access is much less complicated than you may assume. As a matter of fact, these days, that declarations apply to video clips generally. I consider drift. If you're a marketing professional in any kind of sense of the globe, you undoubtedly come across at least amongst their video clips in current months. On item launch days, they're inevitably on LinkedIn. Beyond the tiny handful composed by their in-house video team, none of these clips are specifically showy. The majority are taped on phones. There's a minimal manufacturing, and also they plainly work since they retain making them. You can bring this exact same do-it-yourself method to your organization's Facebook advertisements. Driving interactions does not require a director, an environment-friendly screen, and a £100,000 production spending plan. Simply by virtue of being some shade of dynamic, a surprisingly number of people will certainly quit. And look, you don't even need to obtain, walk while recording your face, and waxing poetic complicated. You can utilize apps like RIP. One to include animation or legend for text overlay to turn existing fixed assets right into fast, focusing getting video clips, then upload assets to Facebook or World Streams Expert. That's right, we sustain video clip ads. And also match them the very same audiences you're currently effectively offering advertisements through Facebook, Instagram, and audience network. See what occurs. You won't be let down. Exactly how to make a great Facebook video clip ad. While your video clip advertisements do not require celebrity guests or ice wall melting zombie dragons to move the needle. There are best techniques that should be complied with if you intend to wring as much worth out of them as possible. Facebook advertises that your video clips are less than 15 seconds in size, shot up and down for ideal mobile performance, include your brand and or the product you're advertising right out of the gate, are made to be experienced without sound. So what does the last bit suggest? Most people who engage with Facebook video advertisements do so on their phones or while carrying out 30 various other activities on computer systems. In either case, they aren't paying attention. This means that if your value recommendation is talked, a great proportion of your lead customers you're spending for are most likely to miss it. To ensure your message is obtained, add text to your videos, making more use amongst the aforementioned devices. Use pictures that make good sense without noise, and utilize the hell out of the ad messaging area. Understanding Facebook ad types, carrier ads. But not least, we have Facebook Messenger ads. Allows to speak numbers real fast via Facebook. Carriers make use of the reality that most of us have no rate of interest in picking up the phone. Most folks prefer to talk with their fingers and thumbs. Currently, and by no means the initial person to entroll the merits of Facebook Carrier. There's a man named Larry you could be knowledgeable about, who's so persuaded of its worth that he went and began a company to aid marketing professionals take advantage of its energy by leveraging chatbots built on the platform. Facebook carrier ads can be as basic or as complex as you like, as well as can be found in two various tastes: click to carrier and also funded message. Both are unused. This is an error. Click to carrier advertisements are exactly what they seem like. They are served as basic ads on Facebook Carrier or Instagram, with a unique CTA that when clicked opens into a carrier discussion. So after choosing Messenger as your campaign objective, as well as selecting click to Messenger at the ad set level, you're routed to build out your targeted marketing budget plan, positioning, and ad schedule as you would with any other Facebook advertisement type. At the advertising degree through the ad arrangement user interface has an added button listed below the basic price. Classified, however, keep in mind that in case you play down this action, any type of lead that clicks your advertisement CTA button will be required to carry and served a default reaction. This is not the means to maximize an underutilized advertisement style. Changing gears, sponsored message ads send a message to people who have an existing carrier conversion with your service. By default, funded message advertisements are sent to everyone with an existing discussion with your organization. If you wish to reach more targeted subsets of your chatty compatriots, you can click Reveal Advanced Alternatives to open up the normal target market creation interface. When it comes to advertisement production for funded message and Messenger's configuration for click-to-message ads, the procedure is relatively compatible. The major distinctions are that for click-to-carrier advertisements, you have the ability to make use of messages only, text as well as image, or text as well as video clip. whereas the video clip alternative is not available with funded messages. In both instances, you personalize nearly whatever from the first message to the customized reaction that a user can select from. In the event you'd rather make use of the possibility to direct prospects to certain web pages on your site, you can roll with the hyperlink switch as opposed to recommended replies. Making use of a mix of reply buttons, you can significantly boost the rate as well as range of personalized clients' communications. I hope you found something here in this video that you liked. If you do, then please click the like button below and also the bell above so you'll be notified when I put more videos up. Thank you for watching, and this is Ian Jackson saying goodbye.